What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to always to support me with a click thumbs like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you will be get for information this from this my video. Well, now I want to read some article about how to bake your own DEO at home with just 5 ingredients. DEOs aren't just a way for big DFI protocols to manage mega boosts. Anyone can set one up easily for better online collaboration. Decentralized autonomous organizations come in all sizes and flavors. Some can seem sweet, others turn sour, and can be fun and interesting to create, or one that suits your needs and satisfies your hunger for something new. We talk to the master chef, none half of Deep DAO, Harry Wilson of Oregon, and Fabian on Snapshot, who are mixing up new and exciting recipes for participatory goodness that you can bake at home. A DEO is an online community that collectively controls a cryptocurrency fund to achieve a particular goal. Whether buying a copy of the United States Constitution of running a DEFI protocols. Explains Wilson from Oregon, an organization that midwives DEO and has helped users almost 4,000 DEOs into existence. The idea is attempting to automate as many exchanges between people as possible, as making it trustless so you don't need to trust people. Wilson explained this makes it easier to collaborate with people that you meet online or to create a global team. You'll need a good idea and a pre-recipe for how to achieve success is going to have the substance to make a fulfilling meal, or will it collapse like a badly done something. You'll also need a set of tools and many ingredients and some collaborators to help you bring this banquet to the table for more people to enjoy. Protocols DEO, as there are those that facilitates the running of protocols, and DEO governs the Web3 protocols that allow users of the Ethereum name service ENS to create Ethereum names that are both human and not readable. Is the Web3 equivalent of the DNS service provider. The Uniswap community uses voting for decision-making on the development and sound operation of the Uniswap. Thus, Unitoken holder vote on Uniswap governance protocols. Features and UNE community treasure fund alongside other aspects. Philanthropy deals are also one on the rare types of DEO right now. They focus on supporting socially beneficial initiatives that have a shared goal, and the sector materials, and is likely the more philanthropic DEO will emerge. Bitgrant DEO is a US-based 501c3 non-profit that specializes in giving grants to growing food projects, believing that DEOs simplify and operate non-profits in support for families and communities to grow their own food. Givers in DEO that facilitate sending donation and charitable project. There are 578 projects listed on its website, which include for growing and coastal reach raising and feeding the homeless in Canada, they are traders. Well, maybe this enough for me. I will serve a mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.